National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a flash flood warning for central Adams County in southwestern Mississippi, northwestern Franklin County in southwestern Mississippi, south central Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Natchez, Fayette, Cranfield, Stanton, Kingston, Stampley, Hamburg, McNair, and Sibley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. This is NOAA weather. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 3, effective until 7 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Lawrence and Lincoln. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service